Everybody now, give me a C! Hold on a second, what was that? What? So Justin just said that sucked, okay? This guy's been working his ass off all year and he said it sucked. I just heard a few of these guys said that was nothing. Coach Tedford, in the history of the big game, there's a 37-point difference between the two schools. Stanford has 37 more points than Cal in the history of the big game. We want to see Cal with 4 more points tomorrow, right? We're going to erase that. So here we go, everyone. Give me a C. Give me an A. Give me an L. What's that spell? Who are we? Who's keeping the X? Good. Nicely done.